I almost want to see how this goes. Yeah. No stop over there. Really? Come on, do it. Get on camera. Good job.
Dynamics. Intercept velocity will be 11 meters per second, Shanahan. I can make that work, Beck said on the radio. Distance at intercept will be...
Geez, you need to have your frickin' high beams on. You're killing me, Smalls. You're killing me. You know, a blinker would help with your problem. Just saying.
It's like, hey, I'm young, I have good hips and knees and feet. Wouldn't it be great
Nope.
to have the hips, knees, ankles, and feet of a fucking 80-year-old? I think I'll take a...
Nice cutoff, and you can't really do that. And you're supposed to be yielding.
Very visible, and with a comm antenna sticking out of his chest. Any images we take will show that. Venkat stared.
Yeah, why don't people yield? It's crazy.
This is why you denied my image.
Red light run. Red light run. Both directions had one. Red, 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 red light run. What the fuck? Those are not parking spots. Those aren't parking spots. I'm thinking that guy over there wants to turn down here, but can't because people are in the way. Really? What the Can you hit me with a surprise? My jaw left hurting. I don't think it's a stop. No stop. I don't know if the camera will see that. No stop. Wait, where are you going? Yeah, you couldn't read the frickin' signs and figure out where to go. Ah, perfect.
That's how I afford upgrades to equipment that I use for the channel. That's how I afford the whiteboards I have and all the markers. I go through a ton of markers, especially come playoff time.
Exit dive. You have to catch some of that on the rear camera, but it's an exit dive. No stop. I don't know if that got on camera or not, but it's a no stop. Come on.
The whole thing. So, yes, there are benefits to the hockey channel. There are also moments where
really?
This is kind of agony.
Nissan drivers.
My team's getting destroyed.
Hey, what are you doing? Really? Hey, you just moved back over again. Really? Oh, what? Really? Behind me. People are screwing up. Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. Nissan drivers. Left turn regret. Wait, that guy was right behind me, wasn't he?
When it decides there's too much oxygen, it starts collecting air in a tank and cooling it to 90 Kelvin.
Really?
That makes the oxygen turn to liquid, but leaves the nitrogen, condensation point 77 Kelvin.
Red light run, red light run, red light run, Nissan drivers. Wait, what are you doing? Really? Did you just run right through the stop sign? How dare you? That's just wrong.
Away from the head. The charging port is in the nose, and the cable isn't long enough to reach. Teddy absently rotated the picture to be parallel with the handle of his desk. She must have parked it facing the head.
Exit regret behind me.
Plug it in, he said. It's been moved since Sol 5.
Really? Yeah, why'd you get in the right lane if you gotta turn left?
It blew away in the storm. The rest of the backups were in the MAV. Yep, Morris agreed. The MAV is like a communicating machine. It can talk to Earth,
I don't
use satellites around Mars if it has to, and it...
Well, it's the end of an era. I am literally driving on my way to the dealership to trade in this car and to pick up my new one. What my new car is going to be will be revealed in a future episode. But for now, for the very last time, let's do this. No, Nissan's in the left lane. No, I cannot be here. Oh, well, what am I doing? No, Nissan's in the left lane. No, I cannot be here. Yeah, very sad. I'm gonna miss this car. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you in my new car soon. Okay, bye!